Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to share a presentation in Google Slides full 2026 guide. I'll keep it simple, step by step, so you can share your slides with anyone in no time. First, open the Google Slides presentation you want to share. You can do this from your Drive or directly from slides.google.com. Yeah, whatever's easier for you. Once your presentation is open, look at the top right corner and click the blue Share button. This opens up the sharing options. It's pretty straightforward. You'll see a field that says Add People and Groups. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can give them different permissions: viewer, commenter, or editor. Choose based on what they should be able to do. Alternatively, you can create a shareable link. Click on Copy Link, then select the access level. Anyone with the link can view, comment, or edit. This is handy if you don't want to type individual emails. Finally, either click Send to email the invite, or copy the link and share it through chat, email, or any platform you like. And that's it. Your presentation is now shared, and that's all there is to sharing a presentation in Google Slides for 2026. Super easy, right? If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss more tips and tutorials.